Okay, so if your students are struggling with reflections, a quick and easy thing you can do is have them grab a piece of notebook paper and draw the X and Y axis on their paper. All right, so in elementary school, they learned about hamburger folds and hot dog folds. So we're just gonna start with the hot dog fold, and I'm gonna make a note that that is my Y axis. So that is when I take and I fold my paper from left to right. So in a hot dog fold, my reflection is gonna go from either the left or the right when it's going across the Y axis. So what you could have them then do is draw a picture. So label my triangle, ABC, and then you can say, okay, reflect over the Y axis. So do a hot dog fold. So when I fold, my picture shows up right there. So I'm just gonna trace it. A, B, C. And then if I open it back up, now I can see both. So I can see that A ends up here, B ended up here, and C ends up here. So this is the change. So that's what happens when I have a hot dog fold, or I reflect over the Y axis. So my other option is I could have to reflect over the X axis. So this is like my hamburger fold. So just make a note, this is my hamburger. All right, so this is when I fold the top and the bottom together. So I'm gonna use the same triangle I started with. So I started with this triangle up here, ABC. I'm gonna do the hot dog fold. I'm gonna trace it. All right, so when I open up my paper, I can see it right here. And if I just recopy it, ABC, I'm gonna give this one 2 tally marks. So for this one, this is when I reflected over the X-axis. So this is a quick way if your students are having problems to work on reflections with just a piece of notebook paper instead of the fancy patty paper.